Tea. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I have a wig review for you today, and it's one that oh my gosh, I've had this for a while and someone requested it, so I wanted to review it. And this is a Vivica Fox wig, which I have not tried her line before. This is Miss Melrose, and I have her in the color P2216 or 2216 or 2216. Miss Melrose is a deep invisible lace parting wig, and it's heat safe 356 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. That's very specific. I scooped her up. I'm not really sure. I think I must have got her on Poshmark. It's not marked, which I always mark them, so that's weird. But I will put all the details on where you can purchase this wig down below. So I have some real pros and cons to this wig. This is a beautiful Yaki textured wig. It's giving me a very realistic vibe. Even though it's a Yaki texture, I still think that it is a multicultural option, especially in these colors. I did have to open up the part a little bit. I had to pluck the part out because it was very tight. It says it's an invisible part, so it's like supposed to be, but I don't particularly like that. It is about 22 inches long. It is about 22 inches long. I'm 5'6.5". The two cons I can see right now is that the lace is rather scratchy, and although I really like syrupy sort of high like coloring, which is fine if you like that, that's great. This just seems to be a little too matchy for me. You could go in and do this. Let me just show you to sort of make it so it's not so harsh. You could go in, I'm using my Pixie Brown Know-How, it's just like powders, and I'm gonna go in with a couple different powders. Yeah, I'm just like harshing that up a little bit, just so it's not so syrupy like that. I think that makes a difference already. Oh, I need more of like a brown. Let me get a brown. I'm using this Profusion Brow Define thing. Oh my gosh, I feel like this makes a difference already. So that coloring is just not so harsh. Oh my gosh, yeah, it totally makes a difference. So yeah, that was my one big con. If you got this in more of a natural color, you wouldn't have that issue. Or if you do like what I did, where I just sort of, you know, chill out that harsh syrupy color right together. Yeah, I really like that a lot better. Let's look at her from the back. I mean, she's very pretty. The movement's pretty. Yeah, now that I put that color on there, I might have to like refilm the intro because I feel like it does make a difference. You let me know if you think it makes a difference. Yeah, so that is what I have for you for Miss Melrose. If you have this wig, please let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any other Vivica Fox wigs that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.